Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dominoes 7 here. As y'all know, I got my fresh haircut. Hmm? It's raining hard as I don't know what. And it's flooded right there. Y'all see that? I ain't expected to rain this hard. Yep, heavy rain. Put towels up by the door again, as y'all know. I don't know how long this rain gonna last though. You know. This Facebook live footage probably not gonna go on YouTube probably until next month, December, after Thanksgiving or after Christmas or sometime in January or February. You know. I'm gonna have a lot of work to do. You know. It took me a long time to get Naomi's birthday party on YouTube, you know, from Facebook, you know. Oh, look at that one there. Yep. It's heavy rain, you know. No hurricanes, okay? Not Hurricane Zeta, not Laura, Delta, or Sally, not even Hurricane Katrina, or whatever, you know. No Hurricane Rita, no Hurricane Wilma. Wilma! Psych. No Hurricane Rita. No Hurricane Ike either, okay? It's just heavy rain, that's all. So, hurricane season is almost over, you know. It might be cold the next day, you know. Oh, that car backing up. Y'all see that? Oh, I'm getting wet a little bit. I don't know who's watching my show. Big Play watching this? Talking about Ryan. He appeared on my show. I haven't uploaded my other birthday video yet, you know. So, well, if this video's on YouTube already, then this video's already been up. But as I'm live right now, you know, y'all look at that. Look like dirt right there. Y'all see that? Okay. Look like dirty debris right there. Dirt, you know. Eventually turn into mud, you know. Y'all see that, y'all? Okay. And let's look over here. Oh. Alright. Y'all look here. Look like a river, huh, y'all? Well, look right there. The street right there. Y'all see that? Alright. Yeah, I done got wet a little bit, y'all. Yep, a lot of people watching. Well, not a lot of people, though. I mean, I don't know who else is watching Dominoes 7, you know? Okay? Who else is watching Dominoes, you know? Oh, and look at this branch up here, you know? I thought that branch was going to fall during Hurricane Zeta, you know? If y'all watched the Hurricane Zeta video, y'all saw that I have my eye on that branch up there, you know. Not only that though, I have my eye on a lot of branches, you know. And you know, our lights haven't been off too long. If y'all been watching me so far, you know, our power went out during the storm, you know. Okay. So the way I look at it, y'all don't want houses like these, you know. Well, either way around, I guess a hurricane can destroy a brick house. It it didn't destroy the projects, not the Saint Bernard, Lafitte, Magnolia, or none of the projects, you know. Uh, okay. Now that street is turning into a. Oh. Sound like the rain slacking up, huh? Mm-hmm. All right. You know, when I was a kid, I didn't know what I saw in the clouds. You know, up here, y'all seeing water dripping. It looked like something like this, y'all. It looked like something like that when I saw my eyes. But y'all know the clouds it didn't look like that. But with my eyesight, it looked like that. I was living in the St. Bernard project that time. I would assume it was 1992, you know, or I assume it was 1991 when I looked at something and it looked something like this, how it dripped, you know, like it's falling from a ceiling or something, you know. All right. I was living in the St. Bernard project. Well, I'm gonna tell my old address, 3704 Hamburg, apartment F. Okay. Well, that don't exist no more. Okay. Oh, and look at this. Rain slacked up. Look at that. Y'all see that? All right. That dirt moving and everything. All right. I don't know who watching this show, you know. Now is it raining on your side of the river? Well, Nala's not watching this. She don't have a Facebook, okay? Talking about poo. Winnie the Poo Poo. I'm so sorry to tease her nickname though. Winnie the Poo Poo. Yes indeed. Oh. Look at that sidewalk right there. Y'all see? All right. Oh, I didn't even. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. I really didn't mean to do that. Okay. All right. So I don't know who the hell that person's slowing down. Well, like I said, I'm doing a show. Okay. I know I be hearing about a lot of things on them on these Facebook lives, you know. Yeah, I know. Okay. Like what happened 3 years ago? Was it 3 years ago when somebody got shot and killed doing the Facebook live? I guess whoever's enemies was found them and tracked them down, you know. I don't know how to track nobody down doing something like this, you know. Well, the police can track people down doing something like this, you know. Yep. So Nala ain't watching this. Well, the only way Nala gonna watch this is if it's previously recorded, uploaded to YouTube. So if it's uploaded to YouTube already, she probably watching it. I'm probably in my new house by now, you know. And she came over and watched this video, you know. I don't know. Okay. And as for Lizzie Velasquez, she haven't done a video in a while, as far as I know. Last one I saw, she was doing with Candace Cameron, okay, from Full House, you know. Yeah, I've always wanted to talk to Lizzie, you know. Years ago, so people used to make fun of her, you know. Well, if you're my Facebook friend, you never heard of her, look her up on YouTube. She beautiful, you know. Yes, indeed. She used to be bullied too, you know. Just like how I was. I've always wanted revenge on them bullies. I never liked to snitch. I want to retaliate, you know. And for some reason, I still want to retaliate on some people. Look at that. Well, never mind that creature flying around. They even had squirrels, as y'all as y'all watch my video, I don't know if the squirrels was ever caught because I was having a malfunction. I was having a malfunction, you know. What the? Ladies and gentlemen, don't never go through a somewhere where they have a lot of water. Okay, go under a bridge and all that. A train track bridge, it could be deep. You know, don't never do that, y'all. Don't never do that, folks. Okay. Well, now I'm doing this. Okay. All right. So, what's this? Never mind what that is. So, now that I'm inside, look at that. Always have to goddamn color this with. Yeah, y'all should have project people this video, you know. Well, to me, there's nothing they could do about this, you know. None they could do about it. But okay. I might as well stop this though, okay? Alright. Thank y'all for watching. Okay. Alright. So I may take a little walk after this and see how the streets are. If it's flooded or not, okay? Cause I gotta put my clothes on. I don't wanna walk around in pajamas. Okay. Thank y'all for watching so far. Alright. Goodbye.